Are you wondering how to make money on YouTube? The easiest way to earn money online is YouTube. There are plenty of ways that you can make passive income. Ad revenue is the most common and finest way to earn money. By accepting YouTube's partner program, you don't need to worry about even getting demonetized. Also, it allows you to generate revenue independently from YouTube in different ways. Today I will share the best ways how to make money from YouTube. Let's start. Five best methods that are really effective to earn money from YouTube. Number 1. YouTube ad revenue. One of the most popular ways to earn money from video content is through YouTube's partner program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can monetize your videos by displaying ads, which generate revenue based on the number of views and clicks. You need to be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age who can handle your payments via AdSense. You also need to live in a country or region where the program is available, have a linked AdSense account, have no community guideline strikes, and follow all monetization policies. Avoid making repetitive content where videos are so identical. Viewers would have trouble distinguishing one video from another. Don't use other creators' content without adding anything new. How to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. To join the Partner Program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, now your time is to apply. To apply, click your profile picture, then YouTube Studio. You will find the option on this page on the left-hand side. Click on Earn and follow the steps to apply. Number 2. Sponsored content. You can also earn money by creating sponsored content for brands relevant to your niche or audience. These can be in the form of product reviews, sponsored videos, or other types of content that align with your brand. When you create sponsored content, brands pay to appear in your videos. This may 30-second to a minute-long showcase of your sponsor's product and where your viewers can purchase it. There's no official rule on how many subscribers or views you need to get sponsored on YouTube. It all comes down to how you market yourself to potential sponsors. However, the more subscribers you have, the more you can charge as a sponsor. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services through affiliate links in your video descriptions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. The benefit of affiliate marketing for YouTube content creators is the ability to generate revenue independently as much as possible. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to join affiliate programs and generate affiliate links for the products and services you want to promote on your channel. Start by considering products that appear frequently in your videos. Your YouTube audience is already familiar with them, so it's only natural that you turn them into affiliate products. Number 4. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fanbase, you can sell merchandise related to your channel. This can include t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other items featuring your branding. If you are an expert in creating graphics, you can create artwork for your merch for print-on-demand services like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring. You can sell your merch through your channel. Most YouTubers, especially smaller creators, do that. The more your viewer buys, the more passive money you can generate. Number 5. Crowdfunding. You can also use platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter to raise funds from your audience. This can help support your video production costs, and you can offer rewards or exclusive content to your supporters. Apart from these top 5 ideas, you can also earn from a few more ways such as Super Chat. This feature allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream. Channel memberships. Creators can offer their audience the option to become a channel member, providing exclusive content, perks, and access in exchange for a monthly fee. Licensing. creators can license their content to media companies, advertisers, or other businesses for a fee. Overall, creating high-quality, engaging video content, video title, description, and tags are important. Keep in mind, video thumbnail is one of the most effective tools to generate more visitors to your content. So create professional thumbnails or hire a professional thumbnail designer to create that. Hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos on different tips and tricks on how to make money online. Don't forget to like and comment.